This is it. My dream is finally real.
Wow, Daniel, it looks amazing.
The colors are so beautiful, Daniel.
Are we ready to make some money today?
I put all my savings into this truck. We cannot fail.
Well. Look who tried to start a business.
Hello, Leo. My food is better than yours. We'll see about that.
Your small truck will be completely empty today, kid.
We will see about that, mister.
Look outside. The first customers are coming to us.
Alex, get the white plates ready right now.
Thank you. 2 fresh beef tacos coming right up.
Here is number 1. Keep them coming.
We are doing great, team. The machine is perfect.
Look out, the machine is smoking.
No. Please do not stop working now. It completely broke. We are finished.
Can we fix it, Daniel? The line outside is getting longer.
I do not need help. I can fix this machine myself.
Let's just chop the ingredients by hand, Daniel. We can still cook.
No. Handmade is too slow. I will fix my machine.
Look at that. We are losing all our customers to Leo.
Leo is standing out there making fun of us.
Daniel is too proud to change the plan. We have to do something.
What do you mean, Sophie? What can we do?
If Leo's truck slows down, our customers will come back to us.
Are you thinking about sabotage, Sophie?
Listen to me. Leo's truck uses a big yellow power cable outside.
No, Sophie, this is a very bad idea.
But Daniel will lose all his savings if we do nothing.
We just pull the cable. His lights go off. Our line comes back.
Okay. Fine, but we must be very fast.
Stay low, Sophie. Do not let anyone see you.
Look! The big yellow cable is right next to the wheel.
Wait, is it the yellow cable or the red cable?
No, not the red one. Stop.
Oh no, it is in my eyes. It burns.
What is happening out here? Who turned off the power?
Alex, get up! We need to run right now.
Alex? Sophie? Sophie? What did you just do?
They tried to break my truck because they are losing.
We are sorry, Daniel. We wanted to help you.
Leo was laughing at us. We got angry.
Everyone is looking at us. This is terrible.
The festival security is coming this way, guys.
Get inside. Right now.
Daniel, please talk to us. We are really sorry.
You think I am weak. You think I cannot win, honestly.
No, Daniel. We know how much money you risked for this.
Now the whole festival thinks I am a cheater. My business is dead. Just leave me alone. Go home, guys.
No, we are not going home, Daniel.
Why are you still here, Maya?
Because your pride is the real problem here, not the machine. We have hands. We have fresh ingredients. We can make tacos without a machine.
She is right. Handmade tacos taste much better anyway.
You are right, Maya. My pride almost ruined everything.
We are a team, Daniel. We fix our mistakes together.
Let's show Leo what real food tastes like.
Perfect. Alex, start chopping the onions now.
These onions are very powerful.
Sophie, I need the secret spice mix right now.
Here comes the magic flavor, boss.
The tortillas must be very thin and soft.
Wow, Maya. This is much better than the machine.
Hello, Festival. Fresh, handmade tacos are ready here.
Save your breath, girl. Nobody wants food from cheaters.
Just watch us, Leo. The game is not finished.
We just need one person to try them.
Daddy, look! That truck smells like Grandma's kitchen.
Would you like a free taste, little princess?
Daddy? This is the best thing in the world!
Yes, she loves it.
Okay, give us 4 big beef tacos, please.
Enjoy your fresh handmade tacos, ma'am.
Forget the other trucks, everyone. The food here is real.
We are moving faster than the machine now.
Daniel, look at this. We are making a comeback.
Keep working, team. We can serve the whole city.
Why is my kitchen empty? Why are they going to that little red garbage truck?
Sir, their tacos are handmade. People love the smell.
Handmade. Let's see how they like a real festival challenge. Attention, festival buyers. Listen to the truth about that food. These people are cheaters. They broke my electricity earlier today.
Oh no! Everyone is looking at us again.
We made a mistake, but our food is honest and clean.
Do you want to buy food from people who sabotage others?
Our friend Daniel knew nothing about it. Check the food yourself.
I am Mr. Marcus. I am the chief food judge of this festival.
Mr. Marcus, please close this red truck down. They are bad citizens.
The chief judge? This is the end of my career.
Arguments do not interest me. Only the quality of the food matters.
Give him a taco, Daniel. Trust your cooking.
It is efficient, but it lacks soul. It feels cold.
These are made completely by hand, sir.
Incredible! This is the true taste of tradition.
What? That is impossible. My machine is perfect.
This small truck wins the grand prize for the best food today.
We won!
We actually won!
We did it. We won.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Leo, your aggressive behavior is unacceptable here. Pack your truck now.
Fine. This festival is stupid anyway.
Drive safely, Leo. Do not forget your chili sauce.
We sold every single taco. Every single one. Thank you, guys. I have the best friends in the world.
Next time, Daniel, we cook by hand from the start.
Yes. Handmade food always wins our hearts.
Mm-hmm.